I'm Matt. This is another exciting home inspection video. So, in the basement, laundry tub. They have a lint sock on here, so that's good. Right here's a clean out. Pipe coming down from upstairs. That's the kitchen right above. Okay, I'm gonna make another video about this, showing the lint that I got out of drains and things. But I've run into this several times. What happens is the lint from the washing machine and the hair that's in the lint, okay, there's a lot of hair in lint if you look at it. When it comes out of here, if you don't have a lint sock, it goes down the drain, it goes in here, which the kitchen is getting serviced by this line right here, right? So you get some food particles and grease in there. So the grease mixes with the lint and the hair, and it plugs this line up where it goes over to the main. It comes over to here, and then it goes off at an angle and goes out to the clean out the front. But it's real common for this line to get plugged up right here. And then if you have a crooked plumber, which apparently there's a lot of them out there because I run into this all the time, they come over and they tell the people that, oh, your line's collapsed and we need to bust it up from here to there, and it'll be $2,500. When all they really need is for that cap to be spun off. You could snake it out, but it really needs to be hydrojetted. Hydrojetting is like power washing a sewer line, and it just, they have all these different heads. I have a power washer and a hydrojet setup, so I started doing that for my customers. When I do a home inspection, I see roots or sludge in the sewer. I tell them, look, I have a hydrojetter, I could do this for you. There's the video, I document everything. Here's the sludge, here's the blockage. I can get it out for you for this much. I encourage you to shop around. I give the best price. And they always call me back to do it because they do shop around and I do give them the best price. So then I've got the before video, then I make an after video of the sewer line, and everybody's happy. But I have run into that several times with my customers and other people. A realtor I knew, it was the same thing. It was the one in the laundry area, and they actually got him for about $3,500, and you know, he didn't call me. I found out about this after the fact because I would have hydrojetted it for him for free because he threw me a lot of business back in the day. But so watch out for that. So if you're a home inspector, I would encourage you to buy a hydrojet setup. Get you a power washer. I have a cheap Ryobi $350 power washer. It's 3,000 PSI. It does a great job. Someone gave it to me for helping them out with the project. It was brand new. They went and bought it for me and gave it to me for Christmas. So I bought one of those hydrojetting kits online for, I think they were $79 each, so I bought two. They're 100 foot each, and I was in the hydrojetting business after that. So that's why I can't belong to certain inspection organizations. They won't let you do that. You're not allowed to work on the houses you inspect. Even though I'm documenting everything I do, tell them to get another price, I'll give them a better deal. You know, it's kind of ironic because here in Michigan, and I assume every state's like this, a lawyer can make a campaign donation to a judge and then argue a case in front of him the next day. The lawyer is an individual, or the light's probably bad. As the lawyer is an individual, or the law firm he works for, they can make a donation to the judge and argue a case to him the next day. And then also some inspector organizations won't allow you to get a referral fee, which, you know, I do that all the time. So we did a commercial building. I watched them do a phase one. We didn't do the phase one. I didn't do that back then. I watched them do the phase one. They said, oh, you're going to need a phase two. I found him a phase two guy, and he gave me 10% of the money, which was $1,200. So I got more for the referral fee than I did for the inspection. Because the phase two was $12,000, so 10% of that's $1,200. But lawyers, if you walk into a a slip and fall lawyer's office, and he doesn't do medical malpractice, he just does dog bites, let's say, he can refer your case to a medical malpractice attorney and get a referral fee. But see, home inspectors aren't allowed to do that, right? Because we wear blue jeans and work boots and lawyers wear suits, so, right? So that's the problem with the inspection business that I hope gets fixed. Anyway, I'm Matt. Thanks for watching.